Hello guys, welcome. I'm highly encouraged to tell you in this tutorial how to turn off Find My Phones, how to especially remove iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone device or when your iPhone is locked to owners. What is the easy way to get rid of it without doing a jailbreak? We will see live here. This is old iPhone device that's locked to owners, so it has been stuck on iCloud activation. When we connect with a special item to have the good configuration, after accessing the data here, see, it's saying that this is linked to an Apple ID. Enter the Apple ID and password that's where used to set up this device. So what is the easy way to get rid of it without doing a jailbreak, guys? First and foremost, we will come now, especially 3U tool, and of course we will come now connect to this. After connections, of course we will come the crash analysis and delete all the old residuals or redundants or any data, and due to that this device is just saying link to an Apple ID. So see guys, we will back and we will check it out. So it's getting some information here. Let's see what the messages that comes. There is no crash data, but of course there is a crash data. We will have to go inside. We will build the from here. Then see here, this one file remain. Of course we will attempt to this one also done, but still it's coming. So this will be clear when we will close this, and of course we will close it and we will try to especially go for refresh here, and the old IPSW that we will have to download, that is recommended by a 3U tool. So here we will have options to download, guys. Directly we can download. We will select the quick flash mode. Don't select the retain user data. Don't select the anti-recovery flash mode. Otherwise, of course, it will not works. Don't select the fixed flash. We will come with the fixed flash monument. So sorry, we will come with the especially quick flash mode. Before execution of it, we have one important thing, so that here the one file has been remained, especially after coming the crash analysis. As we know that there is no record, but one is record, that is after deleting once again this file is coming. So we will close and we can clear this console. Let me close this, and thereupon of course we will come here, open imaging PC. This is also designed to iDevice management. So yes, we will come in here. Yes, we will go the trial version, no problem at all. We will come the device to, of course we will come here, close this, and of course we will scroll up. So device in the console, and thereupon we will try to clear all the old data that is being accumulated here, as we see. Let me come here, see guys here. Yes, we will clear. So see here, we will back and once again let it. There's a notifying that this device is locked to owners. See the private. Yes, we will clear. Now see guys here. Yes, we will. Let's see. Yes, we will clear. Let me cancel, and of course. So at least we will have to clear the 20 times, guys, minimum. So now see almost white screen. Yes, let it clear. Now till the date of today is coming 1st Feb. We will cancel, and thereupon of course we will come. Now it's the time to the communists. In the REC mode here, this one we will come the here, and of course we will close this, and now this is a totally white screen. So of course we can close it, and of course we would be here. Now see, imagine, sorry, item conditions. Of course we can close all the apps except it. Yes, we will come the smart flash and let it. This is a simple strategy that we need to execute. So here we will select, don't select anti-recovery flash mode, otherwise of course it will take much more time. Within a half an hour you would like to yes, quick have the solution, then of course you can have retain user data. Means data would be retained that we had cleared. That it means there is most probably to chance of the error here, and it will stuck on the Apple logo. So just to select especially this ones when iOS has been stuck on Apple logo, iTunes logo, then we will go for address via that. But right now we will go for quick flash and the phone, of course. Here, hit this one. So we will wait and watch till the end of this tutorial. Until it's not notifying you that congratulations, clean flash has been completed, guys. So 34% is we have completed. Let's see further. We'll have to wait until the 100% is. And this simple strategy, data cable is in front of you, the connected everything is going live here. And this I'm not going to edit, directly we will upload on these channels, so that similar strategy, there will be no any confusions to how to execute of this. And while the proceeding for all the procedure, don't unplug the device, because of during the flashing so process the device may restart multiple times. So it's a request, don't disconnect. Now we are on the 34%, 36%. It will be up, down, up and down, descending order or ascending order. No problem according to the configuration of that. And after that, at the end of this tutorial, we have a 2-3 crucial step that we need to execute. That's also I will show you how to execute it. Simple funda that we will have to execute here, and of course you will be able to. This can be terminated by using the chargeable tool also with the help of jailbreaks, but it's a totally free of course. There is no chargeable free of course of 3U tool, along with of course emerging PC trial version you can apply, and iTunes that is developed by especially by itself here also. These all are iDevice management tools. We will have to execute one by one, and of course yes, we will try to clear and close the multiple apps and that is functioning, especially in a one time. It will make you slow your PC, so shut down all the things and just only go with the 3 tool, that is a 3U tool and Imagine PC and iTunes, where rest of except 3U tool we will have to close and let it render on 3U tools. And without touching on this device, I will show you at the end of this tutorial. Of course, we can directly transfer the new Apple password on it here, and of course, we can use as a new ones while creating new Apple password on the new phones or new iPhones, guys. This can be applicable either your device in the stolen mode, lost mode, and blacklisted, or locked to owners, or iCloud activation lock linked to any Apple device. But this is a manual method, and we cannot do with the help of Apple database server directly. But of course, we can create the travelers of Apple database servers by execution of some strategy that I will show you. And of course, we will have a good configuration from the Apple database server to generate a new Apple password, guys. So almost 55% is we have completed. Further, we will see. 64% is we have completed. 68% is, guys. Only 2-3 crucial steps that we will need to execute now further. And of course, any kind of confusion, the query, then the blend raise the query below the comment box. So plus would be meant to the reply of the query, guys. Don't worry. And one thing more, don't misuse this especially on this strategy, because this is your only ones. Now, so we are on a 68%. Let's see. Further, we will see. See, guys, in a day, multiple devices are the comes to the log. So, similar strategy you can execute, and of course, assure you that you will be able to permanently this method would be a permanence method. So now 68% is we have done. In front of you the timer, everything's working. So now see the congratulations, clean flash has been completed. So now the further we will have to execute some crucial steps. So we are not going to do just click on OK, and of course we would be here. Let's maximize so that it will be more clear and appearance. Now see, we will have to wait for highlighted of this batch activation. So it has started to reload, and there still it's not highlighted. When it will be highlighted, within a 10 second we will have to execute these steps. So see here, yes, we will wait and watch. See, it's a still it's a not recognized, so we will wait here. Yes, we will have to wait. Now see, it's notified that now it has been highlighted. So within 10 seconds we will have to go for select the all, and let's hit this one. So it has started to execute. Now the whole step in initial, while we are going to especially set up this device, that we are skipping everything. So let's see what will happen here. If any kind of error will come, then try to change the internet connection and go for once again. If still it's coming, then of course try to generate a virtual private networks type address of sales area of this device. Suppose this is basically from the Hong Kong, then of course we will have to execute the whole internet connections IP address, especially Hong Kong, and go for execution so that precise location navigation will be especially established, and upon on the basis of Google will give good Apple database server configuration, and due to that, of course, it will be skipped this procedure. This is a crucial step that still it's having the problem, guys. Here, let's see what will happen. We cannot do anything now. See, it's done, guys, automatically. So now we will go for here, and once again we will come on a virtual locations. In a virtual location, what we will do, go for see now detectings and finds downloadings. Then of course let me cancel, and this is still downloading, especially dependent, so we will have to wait here. It's not, I'm not in the positions to cancel set, so we'll have to wait here. Still it's having the error. Let me have especially see, if you are unable to execute in these ones, then go for restore the true locations. If any error will come, then go with this modification of these ones, and upon if successfully it's done, then don't go for especially modifies this. Now here is having a little bit on the problem, don't worry. We will have to go for the true locations. So now so here is the downloading, so we will go with the especially. Now iTunes is also opening here. Let's see what's happening here. Now see iTunes, let it assess the data, what's the sync to the masses. Now see, it's trying to access the data. Yes, it has started to access the data, and it's saying the welcome to new one. So what I say, guys, see, still it's unlocked, not locked, unlocked, and see here it's saying the welcome to, means there is no any now any result with the particle. Due to that, this device is locked on us. So almost this one done. So we will come with the specially shining, and let's say the create new polarity, and directly we would transfer. So now see, guys, here. Now as we see here, we will have to enter the polarity, verify the password, confirmation the password, and upon go for execution. This ID would be a directly transfers. Now here, see, guys, if I click here, there is nothing inside. Directly we come on a home screen, and as we see here, there is no any Apple ID. If I connect to the, it's asking to the internet shine to in your, means we don't have any internet connection. Check it out. However, this has been locked, and the iTunes is having the good configurations to generate new Apple ID and password here. In a case SIM card is not working, then just let me go for cancels and upon. Still it's downloading. Don't worry, we will have to clear. Otherwise, directly we will disconnect, so it's gone. Once again, we will have to come here. Go for here. On especially virtual location, if the SIM card is not working in a case, just we will go for restore the rebooting options by restore the true location. Don't go for modification. Otherwise, Apple database server will not give you permissions to have the good carrier network. So that's when that condition occurs. We will come with this especially true location. Now it will be restarted, and upon we will see the SIM card would be fully functional. So now not required this ones, this iTunes, not required of anything. So I would like to have good configurations by virtue of only on the iTunes, and here let's check it out. iTunes, what's working or not. See, it has started to search the network, but there is no SIM card, and it's accessing a data, and upon after accessing a data, see, there is no locked. It's always saying the welcome to. So this is all about, guys. Here, by the coming here, you can generate a new Apple ID and password on it directly. This would be a transfer here. This is all about. For the any inquiry, of course, raise the query below the comment box, and don't misuse this policy. This is only for institution purpose, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye. Thank you very much indeed.